Saucy na Pinoy comfort food, chicken pochero. This is sabaw plus sauce heaven. Pan-fry ang sliced saging na saba hanggang golden brown para mas maging sweet, firm at hindi madaling madurog. Same procedure with the potatoes and carrots. Then, set aside muna. Next, igisa ang sibuyas at bawang, amoy pa lang panalo na. Ilagay ang chicken, then pan-fry lightly. Hindi na natin lulutuin fully, just browning. Add patis. Why patis? Kasi ito yung nagbibigay ng deep, savory flavor. Parang instant umami boost. Add tomato sauce, then add water for the perfect pochero sauce sabaw combo. Simmer until tender ang chicken, low and slow lang. Now, ibalik natin ang stars of the show. Add red bell peppers, then yung pan-fried na saba, potatoes, and carrots. Simmer for another 5 minutes para mag-blend ang flavors. Ilagay ang cabbage, quick simmer lang, ayaw natin ng overcooked. And that's it. Chicken pochero ready na. Best served with mainit na kanin.